Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working on sleep awake game on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam, now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon over here, now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager, expand human interface devices, select your controller drivers, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and then here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, simply select use default settings and then move to the next solution. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issues. So you can try it once, otherwise move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So after going to the library section on Steam, here you will get the update option. If any update is there, simply click on update and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search, now search for check for updates. Here you will go to the Windows update. Here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows and then try to check whether controller is working or not. Apart from this, there are other troubleshooting tips you can follow. First, you have to clear cache on Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, now click on settings, then click on downloads, go below, and here you have to click on clear cache to remove the cache on Steam, and after that check whether it's working or not. If you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug and replug it once. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So when you go to Steam, select the game and here you can see the big picture mode. Simply click on it and after you enter the big picture mode, play the game once and then exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working on sleep awake game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.